Hi guys, welcome back. So today's the day that I go ahead and pick the winner of my giveaway. Now a few weeks ago I decided to have a giveaway where I am giving away a whole set of the Bad Habit After Eyeshadow Palette collection that I purchased from shophush.com. So if you did go ahead and follow all of the instructions for entering that giveaway, following me on Instagram, being subscribed to me on YouTube, and leaving that little comment under the picture of the Afterglow palette, then your Instagram name is in this jar. And so this is what I'm going to pick the winner from, you guys. I have all of the Instagram names in this jar to choose from, and one of you lucky people out there is going to win all 6 eyeshadow palettes. I was going to pick the name myself, but I actually have a special guest with me right now. So I'm going to have him pick the name for me, and he's going to go ahead and join me to do that. Look excited. Say hi, everybody. This is AB from Smoking and Grilling with AB.
What up, folks?
And
come on.
So he's gonna pick the winner.
Chronically Badass Beauty.
Wow.
I'm gonna need 10%.
Nice name, and that is a very long Instagram name. So let me see if I can get my camera to focus on this. Chronically Badass Beauty. So you are the winner of my giveaway. Thank you so much for participating. Congratulations, you won all 6 After Bad Habit eyeshadow palettes. So make sure you hit me up in my DMs on Instagram. Let me know exactly where I should mail your eyeshadow palettes to, and I will get those out to you as soon as possible. Now, if I don't hear from you within a week, so what is today? The 15th? So I will give you until, what, the 22nd, okay? If I don't hear from you by the 22nd, hopefully you'll watch this video, see that you're the winner, and be able to get your palettes. But if I don't hear from you by the 22nd, I'm going to pick another name and give them to somebody else. So that's how I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But I just want to thank all of you who participated. Thank you so much for my supporters, those of you who have been watching my videos, new subscribers, old school subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I definitely am going to be having more giveaways in the future. So if you enjoyed participating in this one, look forward to some more to come in the future. And I'm thinking about holding on to this jar because I kind of want to just pull some names out of here randomly if I ever just feel like giving something away and just using this for a little while. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. Anywho, that is it for my winner video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Toodles!